Hello, good morning, everybody. Our message from the angels is embrace change. There is a positive transformation coming about, and we must stay optimistic and adaptable. There's personal freedom. Break away from restricting situations that no longer serve you. There are new beginnings coming. There are fresh starts both in your personal life and in your work situations. Trust your intuition. Let your inner wisdom guide you. Love and relationships. Have open communications with your friends and family. Bring peace and love and harmony into your life. Focus on your self development. Release outdated beliefs and stay positive. You are going to get some information very soon, and they say you must think before you judge. Bring your own ideas to life and uplift your thoughts. Keep them positive. Turn knowledge into wisdom and follow your own light. Keep your life in balance. Yes, there are still situations and people that are not on the same pathway as we are, but stay determined to find your peace and harmony and remove yourself from the chaos. Bring a gentle touch to your life and put your energy into the basics and let go of excess. You will have successful outcomes to your problems. Spirit has your back. Stay light-hearted and carefree. Yes, we are all dealing with that boastful person that we should not cross. They're causing arguments and turmoil in our lives. We need to swim away from this situation, detach, allow them to do their own thing. Do not be tempted to lower your standards. You are never alone, says Spirit. An unexpected gift is coming your way, which is going to bring you relief. Something important, such as a new job or a raise in your monies. The world is your oyster. Be open to receive. It's time now to go out and have fun. Be positive and tend to the small things, says your loved ones. I love you all. Have a great Saturday. Bye for now.